Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee without a torch. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine 2 cups of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan, heating until it just simmers. In a separate bowl, whisk 5 egg yolks with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the mixture is light and creamy. Now, slowly pour the warm cream mixture into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. This prevents them from scrambling. Strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve for a silky smooth texture. Divide the custard evenly among 4 4-ounce ramekins. Place the ramekins in a baking dish, then fill the dish with hot water halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, carefully remove the ramekins from the water bath and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, transfer them to the refrigerator to chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling step is crucial for the custard to fully set. When ready to serve, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each chilled creme brulee. To achieve that signature crisp topping without a torch, place your sugar-topped ramekins under a preheated broiler. Keep a very close eye on them, as the sugar can burn quickly. Broil for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the sugar melts and caramelizes to a beautiful deep amber color. Let the caramelized sugar cool and harden for a few minutes before serving. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including a link for the Eau à la water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.